So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba i-delete ang ating account sa Mabilis Cash. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang muna natin ang ating account or yung app natin sa Mabilis Cash. So ayan guys, kung tapos na kayong mag-loan or ayaw nyo nang mag-reloan, ganito lang kasimple kung paano nga ba i-delete ang account sa Mabilis Cash. So mula dito sa homepage, itatap lang natin yung profile button na nandito sa lower part. So tap lang natin. And then after nyan guys, dito sa profile, itatap naman natin dito is yung settings. Then dito naman sa settings guys, is makikita nyo na agad yung delete my account. So itatap lang natin yung delete my account. And then after yan dito, ilalagay lang natin yung ating current phone number or yung phone number na ginamit natin para makapag-register tayo sa Mabilis Cash. So kapag meron ng phone number, itatap lang natin yung get na nandito sa my side para may mag-send ng OTP code sa ating mobile number. So yun yung ilalagay natin na verification code dito sa my left side. And then guys, after yung makareceive ng OTP code, ilagay lang natin dito yung OTP code or yung verification code. Then after ma-verify ng code guys, mamili lang kayo ng reason kung bakit gusto nyong i-delete yung inyong account. So pipiliin ko na lang dito guys is security or privacy concern. So piliin na lang natin. Then after nyong makapili ng reason, itap na natin yung next. Then after nyan, ito yung confirmation. Tap lang natin yung confirm deletion. So tap lang natin. So application submitted guys. So magintay pa rin tayo dito ng kanilang feedback. Kasi pinaprocess pa rin nila yung pagde-delete ng ating account. So yung confirmation nga pala nito guys is umaabot siya ng almost 15 days. And then after 15 days, permanently delete na talaga yung account natin dito sa Mabilis Cash. So magwe-wait lang tayo guys ng notification. Pero minsan mas mabilis yung kanilang response and nade-delete agad yung ating account. So mag-wait lang tayo guys ng kanilang emails or notifications. So ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-delete ng account sa Mabilis Cash. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay.